You know, millions of Americans take multiple prescription drugs on a daily basis, myself included. Sometimes it can be a little hard to keep track of them all. Apple Discount Drugs offers a service to its customers that some people may not even know about, and it's called medication management. As Delmarva Life's Brian Spiros tells us, it's a service available to anyone. Take a look.
Judy McDaniel of Princess Anne is like many people here on Delmarva. She's on multiple medications for various ailments, from high blood pressure to MS. And if that's not enough, she also has 10 different doctors, which means it can be hard to keep track of everyone and everything.
I have to be stubborn, but I also have to find legitimate resources to help me manage all of this.
And she's turned to the professionals at Apple Discount Drugs to do just that. In particular, pharmacist Jeff Twig, who handles medication management.
I said, can you go over my list of meds with me? I'm concerned that the doctors don't have time to analyze this all the time. So I brought my list in, and he and I sat down and we went over every one.
So what exactly is medication management?
It's a chance to sit down with patients, consolidate medication lists, help patients understand to go to multiple prescribers, to get one list of everything they get from multiple prescribers. We can have a chance to look for therapeutic duplications, possibly therapeutic inadequacies. Sometimes we can find cost savings, we can find ways to manage side effects, look for drug interactions.
And helping people manage their medication can have tremendous benefits. First, people may not realize this, but there is no central database for doctors to use when prescribing medication. That means one doctor doesn't know what another doctor has already prescribed for the patient. Pharmacists we spoke with at Apple Discount Drugs say because of this, there could be drug interactions a patient is unaware of.
Quite often we have patients wonder what they're taking and why they're taking it.
That's why the pharmacist will sit down with you and go over every pill, tablet, or capsule you take. They will even go as far as to send a list of all your medicine to your doctors to see if in fact they want you to continue taking them.
Sometimes the answer is yes, but quite often the answer is no, because there isn't always the best communication between primary care physician and specialist, or sometimes the patient isn't very good at indicating their own history to indicate to one prescriber what they're getting from the others.
We've created a relationship with certain physicians that they take advantage of the advice that we give them, the recommendations. And then we have patients that won't take new medications without checking with us first. So we've created a lot of credibility.
Jeff Scher is president of Apple Discount Drugs. He says the company has always helped patients manage their medication, but they've really put a focus on it over the last couple of years.
But now we've decided to go out and let the public know that it's a service that's available and they should take advantage of it.
Medication management doesn't just find drug interactions, it can help in other ways. First, you may be on two medications that roughly do the same thing. By eliminating one from your daily regimen, it can save you and your insurance company money. Pharmacists may also suggest medications that you should be prescribed based on your health needs.
We can help tailor patients' medication therapy to their own individual needs so that they get the benefit from the third-party insurance as well as get the maximum benefit for their health.
And whether going over your list of medications produces any concerns or recommendations, at the very least you're given reassurance that your medicine is helping you and not harming you. It's a service Apple Discount Drugs takes pride in.
We're really having a tremendous impact, not only in the quality of life of people, but we're saving people money also.
Taking advantage of medication management at Apple Discount Drugs won't cost you anything. It's free, but worth all the money in the world to people like Judy.
If you can't be your own advocate, then you need someone to advocate for you.
Now, just as a reminder, medication management is available to anyone, and that includes you. So do you think maybe you'd be interested in it? Well, here's what you need to do. Go ahead and call Apple Discount Drugs ahead. Make an appointment before you come in so they'll have time to sit down and talk with you about it. And Apple Discount Drugs is able to help you in other ways with your medication. Did you know that? They're actually going to have a drug take-back day just outside of their store. What that is for is if you have any medications that you don't want anymore, you don't use anymore, maybe they're outdated and you shouldn't be taking them anymore, it's your chance to turn them in and get rid of them safely. It's going to be Saturday, April 28th from 10 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon just outside their store in Fruitland. If you'd like more information on Apple Discount Drugs, all you have to do is log on to our website, delmarvalife.com, and click on the Show tab.